And one is, are there plans to finally finish Route 322 so it's a complete 4-lane between here and State College? And they think
yes.
no.
Yes.
In our lifetime.
Yes. Well, actually, it's started now. If you go there now, you're seeing they're building a bridge at the top of the mountain. For those who may be watching, this is from the top of the Lewistown Mountain going into State Center County through Potter's Mills, which is the last stretch between Harrisburg and State College. Part of the transportation bill, and I was fortunate, being the senator from that area, that Secretary of Transportation, Barry Shook, when this project was working on back in 2004, he was the head engineer for McCormick Taylor at the time. And then when Ed Rendell pulled the funding, it went away. And so Barry was as much supportive of the project as I was, maybe even more so. So yes, right now it's going through 3 phases to start from the top of the mountain to go down to the interchange, because that interchange where the Y is very dangerous. And so they're already in the progress of doing that. That's going on now. That's about a 3 or 4 year process before it's complete. There's 3 different phases of that, and so that'll be done. And then they're already beginning, the rest of the stretch has to go through the federal, studies and things like that. So it's funded, it's ready to go, but that's a little longer. But yes, hopefully in our lifetime, since none of us know how long our lifetime is going to be, but if it's a normal lifetime, it'll be done, which is a great thing for Central PA.